Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn anatomy of flowering plants together, step by step. In this chapter, we look inside flowering plants to study their tissues, tissue systems, and the internal structure of roots, stems, and leaves. Plant tissues are meristematic, which actively divide for growth, or permanent. Permanent tissues are simple, like parenchyma, or complex, like xylem and phloem. Tissues group into three systems: the epidermal system that covers the plant, the ground system forming the bulk, and the vascular system that transports materials. Xylem carries water and minerals upward from the roots, while phloem transports food made in leaves to the rest of the plant. Together they form vascular bundles. In a dicot stem, the vascular bundles lie in a ring, while in a monocot stem they are scattered throughout the ground tissue. This is an easy way to tell them apart. In dicots, a cambium adds new cells, increasing the thickness of stems and roots. This secondary growth produces the wood and bark we see in trees. To recap, plants are built from meristematic and permanent tissues organized into three systems, with xylem and phloem transporting materials and cambium adding girth. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.